Welcome to Creative Solutions. I'm thrilled to have you on board as a client. Today I'll walk you through the steps we need to get started on your Power of 5 website. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the structure. We agreed to create 5 main pages for your website, plus 2 additional pages, a privacy policy and a thank you page. To kick things off, we need some crucial information from you. Once we have these details, we'll complete your website within 10 working days. Now, the first thing we need is access to your domain. This is so we can set up the name server. Don't worry if you prefer to handle it on your end. We'll provide you with the necessary NS record and A record details. Next, we'll need a high-resolution logo. This ensures your brand looks sharp and professional on your new website, so make sure to send us the best quality image you have. We also need some content about your company. This includes your vision and mission statements, management information along with key star photos and titles, and any certificates or memberships with organizations. These details help us craft a comprehensive About Us page. For the services or products page, provide us with detailed descriptions of your offerings. Clear and concise descriptions help potential customers understand what you provide. This is your chance to shine. Next up, for the client testimonials page, please share your latest client testimonials. If you have a Google business page, we can extract a few testimonials from there. You can also use this page to highlight any special offers. Finally, for the Contact Us page, we need your business address, phone number, and email. Additionally, provide us with all your social media URLs so we can set up social links on your website. Thank you again for choosing Creative Solutions as your digital marketing service provider. We are excited to bring your vision to life and create a stunning website for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. Let's get started.